SHOPLINE POS is a versatile point-of-sale app that can be used on various operating systems, including Windows, iOS, and Android. This guide focuses on installing and setting up SHOPLINE POS on Windows devices. Downloading and installing SHOPLINE POS. Connecting SHOPLINE POS to hardware. Before downloading and installing SHOPLINE POS on your devices, ensure you have completed the preparations in your SHOPLINE admin panel, including installing and subscribing to a POS plan, setting up your store, adding staff, and listing products, so that you can enjoy a smooth experience once you've logged into the POS app on your devices. For detailed instructions, see our Install and Start SHOPLINE POS video tutorial. Downloading and installing SHOPLINE POS. Getting started with SHOPLINE POS is easy. Simply access your SHOPLINE admin panel and navigate to the POS user guide to download and install the POS app. Once it's installed, launch it and log in using your authorized staff account. Connecting SHOPLINE POS to hardware. Depending on your business needs and equipment capabilities, you may choose to connect additional hardware to enhance your store operations. The specific connection methods vary depending on the hardware model. For detailed instructions, it's recommended to contact your hardware provider for assistance. Connecting barcode scanners. Barcode scanners save time and reduce errors by speeding up data entry. To use a barcode scanner with your POS system, simply connect the scanner directly to your POS device with a USB cable. Once connected, you can begin using the scanner to add items, apply discounts, register members, and more. This significantly improves checkout efficiency and overall store operations. SHOPLINE POS supports various scanner models. Find compatible models by searching barcode scanners for POS in the SHOPLINE Help Center. Connecting receipt printers. To print receipts for offline transactions in your SHOPLINE POS system, you will need a compatible receipt printer. Simply connect the receipt printer to your Windows-based device using a USB cable. Then, visit the official website of your receipt printer manufacturer to download and install the driver installation package. Next, go to Setting, Hardware Management, within the SHOPLINE POS app to choose the USB connection method and configure your printer model. SHOPLINE POS supports a variety of receipt printer models. Find compatible models by searching Receipt Printers for POS in the SHOPLINE Help Center. Connecting cash drawers. For secure handling of cash payments, a cash drawer is essential. Conveniently connect your cash drawer directly to your receipt printer using a USB cable. Once connected, you can manage cash transactions seamlessly through SHOPLINE POS. SHOPLINE POS supports various models of cash drawers. Find compatible models by searching Cash Drawers for POS in the SHOPLINE Help Center. Connecting card readers. To unlock card transactions, you'll need a physical card reader from your payment service provider. We'll use SHOPLINE Payments as an example. In your SHOPLINE admin panel, go to POS, Settings, Payments. Choose a store and activate SHOPLINE Payments. Once approved, proceed to apply for a card reader. Detailed instructions can be found by searching SHOPLINE POS Payments Terminal in the SHOPLINE Help Center. Once you receive the card reader, check the terminal and insert the receipt paper roll. Then, connect the card reader to your network. Once connected, test the payment platform and device connection on the card reader. After a successful test, you can start accepting card payments. After completing the setup, you are ready to launch SHOPLINE POS and start operating your retail store. For detailed instructions, see our SHOPLINE POS video tutorial.